Hello my dear students, welcome back to your online class. So today we will be completing our syllabus for half year examination with the last chapter that's remaining. That's chapter 7, Geometry. Now when we talk about geometry, it's a branch of mathematics that deals with the shapes, dimensions, sizes of an object. Okay, so in this particular chapter we will be just dealing with the basic of the geometry. Okay, basically we will be dealing with angles. Now what do you mean by angles? Okay, when two sides 1 and 2, or you can say when two rays meet at a common point. So this is a common point. So let this be A, let this be O, let this be B. So for both the sides, that is OA and OB, the common point is O. So here it forms an angle. Okay. Now this common point for the both the sides is referred to as vertex. Now let us discuss few of the geometrical terms that is related with the angles. So your first one is your point. So here this is referred to as a point. Okay. Now your second one is line. Now line is formed when a numerous number of points are joined together and it's a indefinite. That means it can continue. Okay. Now next is your line segment. Line segment means let us assume this to be a line. This arrow indicates that it's infinite. Okay. So you have to fix point which will give you a fixed measurement. Now this part of a line which is fixed is referred to as your line segment. So if this is point A and this is point B, line segment can be denoted by putting a straight line above the points. Okay, so I hope you understood what is line segment. Now next one is your ray. In case of ray, you have one fixed point and the other one is indefinite. That means it can continue. So this is referred to as ray. Okay, now angle is, like I told you, angle is formed when the two rays they meet at a fixed point, and this fixed point is referred to as vertex. Okay, now next we will be understanding the different types of, before that let us understand how to name an angle. Okay, so if you are given a fixed point here A and fixed point here B, now how do you name this angle? How do you write the name? Angle is denoted with this sign. Okay, always keep in, and this vertex, it's point O. So always keep in mind that your O will be always placed in between the 2 points. So if you want to name this angle, so it would be AOB, angle AOB, or you can also write it as angle BOA. You see here that the vertex, the common point, is always placed in between the other 2 points. So this is how you name an angle. Okay. Now next we will be going through the different types of angle. What are the different types of angle? So the first one is your acute angle. What is an acute angle? Acute angle if the angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, this is 60. So if the angle is less than 90 degrees, then it is referred to as an acute angle. And next one is right angle. If your measure of an angle is 90 degree and it is denoted with this sign, as soon as you see this, you know that it's a 90 degree angle. Okay, so if the measure of an angle is 90 degree, then it is termed as right angle. The next one is obtuse angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, let that be 130 degree, let this be 130 degree. So if it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then you call it as obtuse angle. Okay. The third one is, the fourth one is straight angle. If the measure of an angle is 180 degree, if it is 180 degree, then you call it as straight angle. Okay. Now another one is your reflex angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees, let this be around 220 degree. Just assuming it, okay? So if it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, then you call it as reflex angle. Okay, I hope you understood the different types of angle. So in this chapter you have the measurement with the protector also. Okay, so it's not required for this half year exam. I hope you have already done in class 4 also. So you try it yourself with the help of protector. Okay, I hope you can easily do that. How to measure any angle by placing a protector. Okay, so that's all for this chapter. You just have to know the terminology associated with the angle. Okay, how to name an angle and the types of angle. That's all is required for this chapter. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.